You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word once and for all correctly. This is the past tense of the verb to owe. If you want to learn how to pronounce more vocabulary in English that is confusing, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you you'll want to learn from. Owed is how it's pronounced. So the verb is to owe, as in I owe money to my father. Owe. The past tense is owed, as in he owed money to his father. That's in the past. Owed. Owed. English pronunciation, how to pronounce owed. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.